Most people believe wealth comes from luck, an inheritance, or being at the right place at the right time. But what if I told you something completely different? What if I told you that in most cases the real difference between financial struggle and financial freedom comes from habits that seem almost ridiculous? Tiny actions that look insignificant on the surface. Habits that most ignore because they don't feel important enough. And yet, those tiny habits are exactly what build fortunes over years. Quietly, slowly, almost invisibly, while the rest of the world keeps repeating that money is all about luck. The truth is simple. Wealthy people follow a set of basic principles that anyone could follow. But few do. Not because they're complicated, but because they look too simple to matter. Too boring, too repetitive, too obvious. But listen carefully. Just because something looks simple doesn't mean it's easy. And just because a habit feels small doesn't mean it has little impact. These habits are powerful. So powerful that they can reshape an entire financial life from zero. And today, you're going to learn them. In detail, with examples, with clarity, and with the understanding that you can start right now. Take a deep breath. Drop every excuse. And get ready to listen with intention. Your next decisions depend on what comes next. Habit 1. Write down every expense, even the tiny ones. Yes, every expense. Every snack, every taxi, every small digital purchase that doesn't count. Wealthy people track everything because they understand a harsh truth. You can't control what you don't measure. Imagine this. Someone tells you they're broke, but they can't explain where their money went. They can't tell you how much they spent on food, transportation, subscriptions, or small pleasures. Their financial life is a mystery, even to themselves. On the other hand, people who build wealth understand exactly where each dollar goes. Not because they love math, but because they respect their future. Writing down expenses does something powerful inside your mind. It forces awareness. It makes invisible spending visible. It exposes habits you didn't even know you had. You suddenly see that you spent more in one weekend than in the previous 3 weeks. Or that little food delivery adds up to hundreds every month. And awareness brings control. Control brings decisions. And decisions bring freedom. You can use a notebook, a spreadsheet, a simple notes app, or a finance app. The tool doesn't matter. What matters is the discipline. The moment you start tracking, your brain stops spending blindly. You become a different person, one who decides instead of reacting. People who grow their money don't track expenses because they're cheap. They do it because they refuse to be slaves to their own impulses. This habit alone is strong enough to change your entire financial direction. Habit 2. Live below what you earn, even if you could afford more. This habit looks obvious on paper, but in practice, it's one of the hardest. Because society pushes the opposite. New phone, new car, new clothes, new everything. People live trapped in a cycle of proving something to others. Spending money they don't have on things they don't need to impress people who don't even care. But wealthy people think differently. They don't care about showing off. They care about building freedom. Living below your income is not about living badly. It's about living intelligently. It's about removing financial pressure from your life. So you can breathe, plan, save, invest, and protect yourself. Let's imagine 2 people. Both earn the same. One spends everything and more. The other keeps a margin, a buffer, a breathing space. 5 years later, they look like they live in different worlds. One is drowning. The other is floating. One is in debt. The other has options. Living below your means makes you unstoppable because it protects you from emergencies. It protects you from job loss. It protects you from economic changes. It protects you from your own impulses. And most importantly, it opens space to invest, even small amounts, because small investments done consistently become huge results over time. Wealth is not built by people who earn the most. It's built by those who keep the most. Habit 3. Review your fixed expenses every 6 months. Your fixed expenses are silent thieves. They take money without you noticing. Subscriptions you forgot. Plans you don't use. Insurance that is outdated. Services that stopped being necessary. Most people set up an automatic payment and forget it forever. Wealthy individuals don't. Every few months they sit down and review everything. Every contract. Every subscription. Every recurring payment. They cut what no longer serves them. They renegotiate what is too expensive. They optimize what can be improved, and the results are surprising. You can free hundreds or even thousands of dollars a year with this habit. Money that was evaporating without purpose. Money that could be building your freedom. This habit is not just about saving. It's about taking responsibility. It's about saying, my money works for me, not the other way around. Habit 4. Save first, then spend. This is one of the deepest mindset shifts you can make. Most people live on the I'll save whatever is left system. But there's a problem. Nothing is ever left. Life always finds a way to consume everything. Wealthy people flip the script. They save before paying for anything else. They treat their future like a bill that must be paid. They protect their savings the way others protect their entertainment expenses. Saving first creates a safety net. It creates calm. It creates opportunities. And it doesn't matter how much you save. What matters is consistency. Because consistency beats intensity. It's better to save a small amount every single month for years than to save a huge amount once and forget about it. Saving first is the foundation of building wealth. It's the difference between reacting to life and being prepared for it. Habit 5. Invest consistently, even if it's a small amount. Every wealthy person invests. Not occasionally, not randomly, but consistently. They understand that money sitting still loses value, but money invested grows. Even slowly, even with small contributions. Investing is not about timing the market. It's about time in the market. It's about letting compound growth do its work. Quietly, gradually, relentlessly. You don't need to start big. You don't need to understand everything at once. You just need to start and keep going. That's the real secret. So now, answer this honestly. How many of these habits were you practicing? How many were you ignoring? And which one can you commit to starting today? Because watching a video doesn't change your life. Listening to advice doesn't change your life. Only action does. Your financial future doesn't depend on luck. It depends on discipline, on small steps repeated daily, on choosing long-term freedom over short-term pleasure. Everyone says they want financial peace, but few are willing to practice the basics. Those who do transform their lives. Those who don't stay stuck. Your future begins now, with your next decision.